This video we are diving into JavaScript, also known as the code that runs your entire internet, to ask the most asked question: is JavaScript a real programming language? Now you might have heard some people to say JavaScript isn't a real programming language, and you might be thinking, what? It's everywhere. So let's get into the question a little bit deeper. First up, let's define what a programming language is. In the simplest term, it is a set of rules and syntax that let us communicate with the computers. We use it to tell them what to do, like making a toast or launching a rocket. Okay, maybe not the toast part, but you get the idea. JavaScript started as a simple scripting language for web pages. Back in the days, it was like the intern of programming languages, doing the small tasks no one else wanted. But hold on, it's grown up. It's now like the SEO of web development. So why do people think JavaScript isn't a real programming language? Let's bust some myths. Myth 1. JavaScript is just a scripting language. Yep, it started that way. It was designed for small, dynamic tasks on web pages. But look at it now. It's everywhere, from front end with the React to the back end with the Node.js, and even in mobile apps with React Native. But wait, there's more. JavaScript is a very strong language, but it also has its limitations. Unlike low-level languages like C, C++, or even Java, JavaScript can't handle tasks that require direct hardware manipulation or high-performance computations. It's like the difference between a skilled chef and a microwave. One's great at quick tasks, but the other is better for real cooking. For instance, C and C++ are often used for system programming, real-time applications, and performance-critical tasks because they can interact directly with hardware and manage memory manually. Java offers a middle ground with its platform independence and strong object-oriented principles, making it suitable for the enterprise applications. JavaScript, on the other hand, is like go-to guy for web development. It excels in creating interactive web pages, handling user inputs, and running server-side scripts, but it doesn't get down and dirty with low-level programming. It's more like your friendly neighborhood coding assistant. You know. Myth 2. It's only for browsers. Really? JavaScript runs on servers, mobile devices, and even in your toaster if it has a browser. Okay, maybe not a toaster, but you get the point. Myth 3. It's too easy to be a real programming language. Sure, JavaScript is flexible and it lets you do a lot of things with less code, but that's not a bad thing. It's like saying a Swiss Army knife isn't useful because it's small. So what's the verdict? JavaScript is definitely a scripting language. It's got the credentials, the skills, and the personality for web development. It's not just a browser-side sidekick, it's full-blown scripting hero. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other programming myths you want to discuss. Until next time, keep coding and stay awesome.